This was the last flight of this drone. I think it went down the sea, so I popped it up. I flew it without the GoPro to make it light, good strong motors. The wind was coming up a bit, but the idea was to get into acro mode and just get a bit more practice with it. So you can see it's angle mode at the moment there. I flicked it to acro, dropped it down a bit, and now it's in acro mode, which gives me more maneuverability. So I'm flying it, and then I turn around. It was heading south, and then it turned around. It's now heading north, fairly high, about 70 meters, and then a bit of a swirl. Recover from that, and I'm now heading north. Yeah, heading north straight away from us, and a little bit of a whoopsie, and I recover it. And then what happens next? Suddenly just completely cuts out, no video. So I flick it into return for home, and then looking back on the video I realised that I got a couple more flickers of screens. It looked as if it was trying to return to home. It was fairly high and trying to come back. And then nothing. So this is slowed down 25%. Shows you the individual frames that I could see when I was looking back through the footage and pausing it. There's no way you can navigate with that. In any case, it was in return to home mode. So what I do now, that was the last frame, is just pull out the last frames. So this frame has the last one with telemetry on it. In fact, the control's overlaying it and setting it back. The next frame's no telemetry, just a picture. So from the camera, but probably not talking to the controller anymore. That's from out at sea looking to the land. And the very final frame, clear frame, again, no telemetry, it's just heading north, but it's kind of over the sea, so I think that's where it went.